Hi, I'm Marty McComb.
And I'm Victoria Gibbs.
And we're part of the Stonepark Intermediate Green Team. Did you know about 67% of Canada's garbage is disposed into landfill every year?
Canada has over 10,000 landfills.
Aluminum takes 500 years to disintegrate.
And glass and plastic take over 1 million.
So what can we do here at Stonepark to help the environment?
As you've probably noticed, Island Waste Management has helped us design new sorting signs.
In addition, our school has purchased 4 new sorting stations like this. These new sorting stations will be placed in various locations around the school.
No longer will you be able to throw all of your garbage into the gray bins currently located in the lobby and hallways. They'll be gone.
The first new sorting station will be located here in the upper lobby across from the library.
The second pavilion will be placed next to the Aquafina machine in the main lobby.
The third sorting station will be here outside the student services area in the main lobby.
The fourth and final sorting station will be placed right near the gym between the 2 entrances.
Here in the cafeteria, we don't actually have new sorting stations, but the bins have been rearranged to match our new signs. For example, waste goes with black, recyclables go with blue, and compost goes with green.
So how will you know exactly where to place your garbage?
The Green Team and Rocky asks you to take a sec and double check.
If you are confused as to where to put your garbage, just check the signs. When you have a juice box, remember to remove the straw and place it into the waste. Then proceed to put your juice box into the recyclables. And please, if you eat at the bagel bar in the mornings, remember, both this cup and this napkin are compostable.
If you go to Greco on Toonie Tuesdays, both the paper bag and the tray are compostable. So put that in the green bin. Remember, all plastic bottles and aluminum cans go in the blue recycling bins.
One thing that we do ask is that if you have any drink left in your bottle, to please replace the lid and then put it into the recyclable bin.
Very soon you will see our new sorting stations around the school.
Don't worry if you get confused. For the first little while, a Green Team member will be near the sorting stations to help you out.
So let's do our part to help the environment.
And remember, take a sec and double check.